Hi my friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today video in the very grateful video in the health you are in the all countries people all. Thank you very much our YouTube channel in the watching this now video. Please today in the very important video. Wait a minute. This video in the watching now in an all your this video in the shares by in the all social media platform and all your friends. Today watching now this video, today very important topics in this video watching now you. Today coming to in the healthy breakfast in the ideas on 5 tips. Healthy breakfast ideas on the 5 tips. Today video watching now this situation and video. Rich foods eating. Choose food high in fiber to promote digestive health and keep you feeling full. Example by in the rich foods eating, oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Limit added sugars foods. Mindful of added sugars in breakfast foods. They can contribute to energy crashes later in the day. Fruits and vegetables. Boost your vitamin and mineral intake by including fruits and vegetables in your breakfast. Example by in the fruits and vegetables, Spanish and tomato omelette with a side of sliced orange. Mindful protein control. Be mindful of protein sizes to avoid overeating. A well-balanced, moderated size breakfast set a healthy tone for the day. Example by in the mindful protein control, healthy breakfast ideas, a vegetables omelette with a side of side melon. Protein power. Including good sources of protein to keep you full and support muscles health. Example the protein power in the very attractive and very important by in the healthy breakfast ideas. Yogurt or nuts in the protein power in the health breakfast ideas your healthy important situation. Our YouTube channel in the all healthy and wellness important videos all days in the all coming by in the next video. Thank you very much and in the our YouTube channel subscribe and notification bell icon in the click. Please our YouTube channel in this video in the very grateful for your like and in the comment all social media platform this video shares. Thank you very much. This video watching you now and all friends goodbye.